Imagine walking into a community workshop. On the table sits a heavy, complex hand tool that nobody has ever seen before. In the modern working world, artificial intelligence is that new tool sitting in the middle of our table. When a powerful new piece of technology arrives, nobody knows exactly how to hold it yet. There are no immediate experts. We have to figure out how it works by learning side by side. Our first impulse is usually to take this new device and use it to do our regular daily chores, hoping it just helps us finish a little quicker. But creating a completely new market requires looking past our daily routine. We have to stop asking how to do our old jobs faster and start asking what entirely new things we can now build for our community. Before anyone picks up that heavy new tool, the first step is to step outside and look at the empty spaces in our town. We have to figure out what's missing. We start by drawing out a master plan. We're mapping how every joint and beam will support the others before we start cutting wood. Deciding where these main supports go ensures the group is aiming for the same result, avoiding false starts. Sometimes the best move is to be the very first group to clear a path into a new part of the woods. You take on the challenge of being the one to show everyone else where the new town square can go. Having this shared plan makes it much more likely that when we finally start the physical work, our effort actually results in something solid that people can use. With the plans drawn, we move from the drafting table to the dusty workshop. Taking an idea from theory into practice requires a crew that knows how to move together. Building something that didn't exist before takes time and supplies. You have to be ready to stay patient when the wood is knotty or the tools don't feel quite right in your hands yet. Change makes people nervous. When someone hesitates to use the new tool, you don't force it. You step in, place your hands over theirs, and show them how the blade is meant to glide. Talking openly and often is what keeps the crew together. When the work gets difficult, honest conversation helps everyone adjust their grip at the same time. Getting the job done requires a constant balancing act. You have to handle the splinters and small mistakes on the ground, without losing sight of the finished building you're aiming for. You cannot construct a sturdy roof in the dark or by guessing. You have to measure your work. Putting together a new market means constantly checking your angles. If the structure starts to lean, you need to catch it early and adjust based on what the level is telling you. We use standard markings that the whole crew can check against to keep each other honest to the plan. This measurement loop shows how we spot a crooked line and use that information to recalibrate. A good builder stays flexible. You take what you're learning from the wood and the tools, and you change your approach to make the whole frame stronger. Measuring isn't a final grade given at the end of the project. It's an ongoing habit that makes sure the new market is strong enough to bear the weight of everyone who will use it. Finally, the scaffolding comes down. What was once an empty field is now a beautiful gathering space. This is what it looks like to create a new market. Beneath the floorboards are deep, solid foundations, the safety rules and building standards we followed. They protected the crew during the build, and they keep the public safe now that it's open. Looking at the pavilion today, we see children playing in the shade and neighbors trading goods, the exact purpose we aimed for when we first looked at that empty lot. This new space changes the neighborhood. It gives the whole town a new place to thrive, making the surrounding shops busier and the nearby streets more vibrant. But the work doesn't end with a finished building. We return to the table to write down exactly how we did it. By sharing our notes and training others, we make sure the town's progress doesn't stop if one person leaves. We're handing the next crew a head start. When we share our notes, what one person figures out, the whole community gets to keep. And there is always more to build. Innovation is a job that is never truly finished. It relies on keeping the door open and waiting for new voices to pull up a chair and help decide what we build next.